How's it going, everybody? It is Dennis, and we're back with another video. As you can see, my hair is wet. It's a little late in the night. It's actually the night before this video is supposed to be uploaded. A little late to the video, a little late to the editing, but hey, I always have to release a video every single week, so we're getting to it. And talking about this week, we're talking about ULTY or ULTY, and a little thing that happened this week, if you are aware or not aware, depending if you're invested into ULTY or if you're not invested into ULTY. Well, there was a little bit of a scare this week with ULTY with our 91.45% yielding ETF, and that was this sudden drop right here on August 19th. The night of August 19th, we had a drop, almost 20% drop in overnight markets. I was actually tracking it live. Funny enough, I got the message that popped up on Robinhood. If we go ahead and open that up, we can see I posted my first post was where are the ULTY fans at, and I added at YieldMax. We could see a 2.8% drop for today, and then a 19.97% drop straight down on ULTY. And then, of course, a couple minutes after, it started correcting itself, but still, to that time, it still hasn't fully corrected itself. And we take a look at the chart, we can see it's still trending downwards. After that, of course, we had our ex-dividend end here. Dividend day here is the reason for this drop right here. Right on Wednesday night closing. But yes, ULTY had a crazy drop, and we still have no idea for what happened. As you can see, first of all, I'm not a huge ULTY investor. If you watched my previous videos on ULTY, the only reason I have this amount invested with shares and with market values because I'm using my Robinhood Gold card to invest into ULTY because I'm still skeptical on it. And thank God I am skeptical on it, because if I was in a situation like this where I had thousands and thousands of dollars invested and there's a drop like that, I would probably be scared as others were. So, like, if we take a look at Reddit, we could see at the time of that drop happening, we could see people were posting right here 2 days ago, what's happening to ULTY? What just happened to ULTY? Guys, what's happening? People were panicking during this moment. Twitter was going off. People were sending messages all over Twitter that night, trying to figure out what was happening. And did we get an explanation? We did not. Unfortunately, YieldMax ETF did not give us an explanation of what exactly happened. They had a meeting on Wednesday, like they do all the time, at 12 o'clock p.m. With the Twitter team and the Twitter followers. They go on x.com or Twitter, and they hold the spaces with Wolf Financials, I'm pretty sure it is, who hosts the space. And there they talk about their distributions. And they were asked the question on what happened to ULTY on Tuesday night. This was literally they had this meeting the day after this all happened. And they asked them what happened. And I'm not quoting this, but pretty much all they said was, we don't really know what happened. It could have been on reasons of other traders, or not other trades, but other services. It could have been this, it could have been that. In total, we didn't get a definite answer on what occurred. They said it could have been this, it could have been that, it could have been aftermarket volatility, it could have been aftermarket, just aftermarket issues. That's pretty much all they gave us. I can't give an explanation of it either, because I'm not in there. I'm not one of their traders. I'm not one of their managers, so I have no idea what's going on, nor do I have the experience to really understand why that happened, like many other people who are invested into ULTY. Now, did it recover? Yes. Did it recover fully? No. My guess at the time when it was happening was maybe they got margin called. Maybe, of course, they don't have margin, but maybe something happened. Maybe one of their holdings got dropped significantly if they were holding it overnight or something of that sorts. But they just said that it could have been an aftermarket thing or a closed market thing. It could have been some kind of trading going on in other countries or other whatever. I don't know. I have no idea, but it's just confusing. Of course, like I said, not a huge ULTY investor, but I would imagine there's other people like these people on Reddit who probably have a good amount of money in ULTY, probably more than I do. We have this person right here who has $1,000 something, right? And of course, there's traders who are not so great when it comes to emotional control when they see stuff like this, And they even mentioned in the talk, right, when they were having the X talks, right, the X little live podcast, the meeting that they have, and they were speaking on this subject, and they're saying, oh, you shouldn't be attached to your phone, you shouldn't have been watching your phone at 12 o'clock in the morning. But hey, listen, not everybody is on the East Coast time. First of all, there's different time zones. That's one. Two, you get notifications on your phone, and we're all attached to our phones nowadays. So it kind of makes sense why, people got messages just like I did. Hey, ULTY's down 5%, ULTY's down 10%, ULTY down 15, 20%, right? It's there for a reason, for your safety. So probably many people got those messages. And not a lot of people are emotionally strong enough to withhold these kind of drops. People panic, people sell, and a lot of people did. Like this post right here from Mr. Freak Inc., which I pulled from Mr. Brick by Brick himself. And he said, it's not worth it, 0.85 cents less than 0.60 has paid. I lost 500K in ULTY yesterday, right? There's people like that who sold. There's other posts on Twitter that were happening, which I can't pull up now because that's 2-3 days old. I'm not going to go through all the Twitter posts that on ULTY because there's a bunch of them, but there's people saying that they got margin called. There were people saying who they sold out at the bottom, right? So this was in a situation like Berkshire Hathaway had a couple months back, where they had to drop, but that was due to market issues and market whatever miscalculations, whatever, and they had to halt it, and it returned back to what the price is supposed to be. And people who were buying or trying to buy at that moment couldn't buy, or they put an order in to buy. It would just be they would end up buying for what the market value is supposed to be, right? In this case scenario, people were able to buy ULTY at these after hours trading for that lower 20% lower value. So obviously it wasn't a technical error. It wasn't just a graphing technical error. It was an actual error that's on the back end that something occurred, right? Am I bashing YieldMax ETF for it? No. Am I saying it's their fault for whatever happened? No, I don't know. I don't know what it is. This is not slander. I'm not backlashing or saying that this is their fault. But something occurred, and there was just, I feel, not enough detail on what actually occurred, right? And if I was an ULTY investor with more than what I have right now, right, I just have 24 shares. But if I had more than that, I would be kind of scared. I'll be like, hey, listen, this occurred. What's the reason for this occurring? Can I get an explanation? And if there is no explanation, like we currently don't have, I would probably begin to think about different holdings to invest into. They could be YieldMax as well. It doesn't have to be another, provider of these ETFs. It could be YieldMax. It could be anything else, right? But I would just look into other holdings that are possible. YMAX, YMAG, all the other funds that they have, right? But currently, this is a little weird. I just gotta put it out there. I had to make this video. This was a little weird of a scenario, being awake at 12 o'clock, right? 11:46 p.m. It started happening, and it went back up at 11:52, right? So that's my post. It's kind of weird, right? It's kind of weird. And thank God I'm not a huge investor into ULTY, because this would definitely be not a pleasant sight to see at almost 12 o'clock in the morning. But hey, I don't know. I don't know what you guys think. If you're an ULTY investor, what you think about this. I think it was just a little weird how they went upon it. If you were in that live talks that they had on X, it was a little weird how there's no definitive answer. Maybe I missed it. If I missed it, hey, correct me if I'm wrong, right? If I missed what the definitive answer was. But for me, it seemed that there wasn't really a strong answer on what actually happened. Why was there a drop? You could say it's after market hours, blah, 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 or this or that. But there isn't one answer to it, which I feel like from their standpoint, being a manager, that you would want to give a solid answer, even if it's not fully truthful or correct. At least give us some kind of solid answer to what occurred, to make the investor feel better, to specifically make investors like this feel better, who are putting their life earnings and savings into ULTY, which of course is not their fault, right? It's not the manager's fault for them doing this. It's not the manager's fault for their lack of emotional control. It's not the manager's fault of their lack of risk control, right? I'm not blaming the managers of YieldMax ETF. It's not their faults, the managers, the traders. Of course, some of this is to blame to the actual people investing into these ETFs, because they don't do their research. They don't take their risk correctly. They don't judge risk correctly. And therefore, they end up in situations where they get margin called. They panic sell in the middle of 12 o'clock in the morning, instead of letting it reset or figure it out, right? You panic sell, you sell everything, and then you end up, you're back in the hole. So, yeah. Down like thousands of dollars, or like this guy who said he's down $500,000, which of course it's not confirmed. He could just be yapping, but so yeah, that is ULTY. Just the news on ULTY. Wanted to put it out there. A little late of a video for myself when it comes to reporting aspect, but wanted to put it out there. Wanted to make a video as always for every single week, and just wanted to see what other people's opinions are on ULTY and what occurred. What do you guys think? Are you guys holding ULTY? What do you think about this happening with ULTY? And how are you trading ULTY after all of this happening? And in general, how are you investing into these high yield ETFs, especially from YieldMax, after all of this occurring? Are you selling out? Are you reinvesting into other ETFs that they have? Or are you investing into other companies that are offering high yield ETFs. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week for hopefully a little bit more of a better, well-timed recording video instead of me sitting here with wet hair, getting ready for the next day. So see you guys.